Welcome to 0 to ProTraining.com. In this video, we will talk about how to fix a dead hard drive. When your drive seems to have died, there are few steps you can take in order to find out what could be the problem. BIOS utility. Reboot your computer and go into the basic input-output system, called BIOS. You can go to BIOS by pressing the delete key during the boot up sequence. You need to look for on-screen prompts after pressing delete key. BIOS comes with a utility that automatically detects drives. Run the BIOS utility to see if the drive gets detected. If the drive does not show up, then verify the connections between the drive and the motherboard. Manufacturer's diagnostic software. If the drive is still not detected, then you need to run more tests. However, you will need another functional computer for that. Note down the model number and the manufacturer of the hard drive. Visit the manufacturer's website and search for the diagnostic software. Download the software and burn it into CD-ROM or a flash drive. This depends on what media options are available on the dead computer. Now, boot the dead computer from the downloaded media. The diagnostics will run. The results should give you an indication of a problem. Sometimes, no problems are found, even though the drive is not working. Virus check. It is a good idea to also rule out if a virus is causing hard drive issues. Download bootable virus scan software into CD-ROM or a flash drive from a reputed internet source. Boot the dead computer from the media in order to scan the disk for viruses. If the computer is infected, the software will repair the disk. USB interface. If none of the steps worked, then connect the drive to another computer using external USB interface. Listen closely to the drive. If it is totally silent, then that means the platters are not spinning. If you notice unusual sounds, then that indicates a mechanical failure as well. If you have reached this point without success, then perhaps the only hope left is to try data recovery service. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit 0 to ProTraining.com.